Expensify expense management app. The pros, the cons. Expensify is a popular expense management app designed to simplify business spending, reimbursement and reporting. Most people get this wrong if they think it's just a receipt scanner. It's a full-featured platform that automates workflows and integrates with accounting systems. On the pros side, Expensify allows employees to capture receipts via mobile app, automatically categorize expenses and submit reports for approval. It supports corporate card reconciliation, integrates with QuickBooks, Xero, and NetSight, and offers features like automatic mileage tracking. Real-time reporting gives finance teams visibility into company spending, helping control budgets and reduce fraud. On the con side, some users report that the mobile app can be glitchy, and advanced features may require higher-tier subscriptions. Customizing approval workflows can also be tricky for larger organizations with complex policies. In conclusion, Expensify is an efficient solution for businesses looking to streamline expense management, save time, and improve accuracy. While there are minor learning curves, its automation and integrations make it a valuable tool for finance teams and employees alike.